What's up you guys? Magandang araw pong muli sa inyong lahat. It's me Vince once again from vinsSarap. Today I'm going to share this easy 5-minute no oven required, no yeast pizza. I'm going to show you my two versions of Stovetop Pizza which make a fast delicious for snacks, lunch, or dinner. The thin crust pizza and the cute size, the bite size pizza. Both are incredibly easy and amazing. The dough is made using just 2 ingredients and they're delicious. Plus I will give you some tips as we go along. So join with me and let's jump into it. Okay guys, to make this simple and easy recipe, first we're going to make these 2 ingredients. Dough. Here I have some self-raising flour, only the measurement is in the description box below, and here I have some yogurt. It doesn't have to be Greek yogurt, it doesn't have to be full fat, less fat, zero fat, any type of plain yogurt works. So then we're going to combine together these 2 ingredients in a bowl using a spoon or a spatula. If you are new to my channel, hello to you. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't done yet for more upcoming and easy delicious recipe. I post new video every week. We're going to transfer this dough mixture on a board along with some flour to prevent from sticking. We're basically kneading this dough for a couple of minutes until it becomes soft. If it gets a little sticky, just add flour on your board, a little amount at a time. Now I'm just cutting it into halves. Then I'm just kind of like, what do you call this? Sort it in a oval shape. Divide it into 3, place it on a bowl, grease with some oil, then set aside. This is gonna be our dough for our small pizza. Now let's talk about flour. Because the self-rising flour isn't available in some places and you're unable to find it in your grocery store, don't worry, there's a couple of options. You can either make it yourself using baking powder or baking soda. I leave all the instructions in the note. Or if you don't have any leavening agent at all, you can just use plain flour. The texture will be different and the dough won't rise, obviously, but the piece of base will still be soft and delicious. I use my pan to take measurement and adjust the size of the dough to fit in a pan. Using a pizza cutter, I just trim the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to make sure that our dough will fit. Alright, here in the stove, allow your pan to get really hot. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil on your pan. This trick is to get a nice crust. You're going to put the dough. I just oil my hand so that it will not stick. Be careful when doing this. Cover the pan and allow this to cook. This will not take longer than 3 minutes.
She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer.
So after 2 minutes, you'll know when it's ready to flip. When the bottom becomes a nice golden brown color, just like this. We're going to assemble this pizza by spreading the pizza sauce. Turn your flame into the lowest setting. This time, we're going to add our toppings. The beauty of pizza is that you choose your toppings. This is just as simple. I just add bell pepper, a sliced black olives, and walnuts. As I've said before, you can add whatever toppings you like. Onions, pepperoni, mushroom, pineapple, go ahead. I use mozzarella, so you can add any melted cheese of your choice. Melted cheese is meant for pizza. There's nothing worse than using unmelted cheese. We're going to cover it again and continue cooking for about 2 to 3 more minutes under low flame settings.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
So here it is guys, now I'm going to show in pose it a little bit. So you can see it clearly how cheesy it is and nice thin crust pizza. Cheesy on top and crispy on the bottom. Now I'm going to show you also my version of cute size, the bite-sized pizza. Again, flour your board, put this 3 little dough, and we're going to knead this using rolling pin and allow this to rest for another 5 minutes. And because I don't have a cookie cutter, you can use an egg ring if you have those. Here I'm just using a glass to get this nice circle shape. The cooking process will vary depending on the thickness of our dough. This will take from anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes each side. The toppings is the same as the topping which I use in thin crust pizza. Again, allow your pan to be hot. Add oil, then add the dough. Cover. This will take from anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. As I said, the sauce, the toppings, the cheese is the same as I've used and thin crust pizza.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Is it, you guys? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try this amazing 2-ingredient no oven pizza recipe. I know many of us are just starting to bake, especially during this lockdown, and many of us don't have oven. This is the perfect pizza that doesn't require any fancy ingredient, and it takes only a minute to make. Don't forget to share, leave a comment below, and if you guys want to support me on my platform, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Links is in the description box below. Until then, God bless everyone, take care, and see you on my next video.